Very good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to the English class. It is yet another interesting and a new day. Dear children, though we are having EVS online practice in our regular classes, wherein we are reading about how we can, the kind of questions that will be asked to us during our concept test. But in our last class, we had started with the grammar portion, which was page number 61, Little Raindrops. It could not come to us in a better time because we finished this page 61 and there were 3 more left on page number 62. I would want you quickly to write the date, which is 12.3.21 on this page, and there were 3 options that were left to be done. We are going to do that today. Okay, so if a mouse gets trapped in a mouse trap, the sound is snap. Page number 62. Start doing this with Neha ma'am because we did the front page yesterday. Somebody puts their leg in water, right? And the sound that we get can also be squelch. S-Q-U-E-L-C-H, squelch. And if branch breaks, it can even be whiz. Okay, so please finish all of this and let's come to the next exercise for the day. Use 6 of the sound words in the following blanks. You will have to change some of the words. So any of the sound words. So today our topic is about sound words. The best to your knowledge that you feel, there's not always any accurate answer. Best of the knowledge. The mouse in the trap dash for help. Mouse in the trap, what does it do? So you will have to use the sound squeaks for help. Squeaks for help. The cannon went off with a loud boom. The thin branch dashed and the boy fell to the ground. The thin branch snapped. Okay. Here it could be squeaks. And the boy fell ground with a bang. Full stop. The cup fell to the floor with a dash and broke. So it with a cracked and broke. The rain fell off the roof with any voice you can use, plop, or try using these words, plop, squelch. Only sounds which are best suited to certain conditions is what is being shown here, and we have to write it. We will be continuing with the grammar portion. We had finished up till limericks. We will be doing Arun's computer. We will first do the worksheet for the day, which is in continuance to what we had learned earlier. This is worksheet 3. Date is 12/3/21. Write the section and your name in cursive writing. Sound words, what are they? The words which are used to demonstrate a sound or a noise heard or created during some actions are called sound words. Now, if I'm, this pencil I have in my hand and I dropped it, it make a sound like a thud sound again. Thud sound. These kind of sounds. When I move a table, like I'm moving a table, there's a different kind of sound that it is making. These are some of the sound that show us a different kind of action. Example, pitter patter. Sound of water droplets on hard surface like window panes. Whenever it is raining and you hear the water, on the window panes, it is pit pat like that. Zoom. Sound of any vehicle which passes very speedily. This we have heard. Imagine you're standing in the balcony of your house and you see cars zooming and you see bikes racing. Zoom. Plip plop. Sound of dripping water which comes out of the tap. Crack. Sound of a glassware when it breaks or cracks. Khat karke that sound comes. Thud. Sound of things falling from height on a hard surface like I showed you. Okay. Now let's see. Use the sound words given in the help box to fill in the blanks. Zoom, plip plop, crack, pitter patter, thud. Zoom, plip plop, crack, pitter patter, thud. The boy fell to the ground with a thud, like sound of something falling from a height. The hammer hit the glass with a crack. The rain fell dash on the roof of my house. Plip plop. The leaking tap made a... Sorry, this was the rain fell. Don't write plip plop. Please write the word pitter patter. Here you will write pitter patter. The leaking tap made a dash sound. This was plip plop. The car went outside the garage with a zoom. This is how you have to complete the worksheet. Let's see here. Match the best sound word with the picture given below. Okay. Now a glass cracking. This will be crack. Water falling, pitter patter. Out of the tap, plip plop. Something falls off a height, thud. Zoom. Right? These are sounds that we have to do as a topic for the day. You need to remember it for your concept test as well. Come to Arun's computer, page number 67, write the date 12.3.21. Nouns and adjectives. Choose a noun and an adjective for each picture. Okay, so noun is what? Adjective will define the noun. Okay, tasty ice cream. So let's say I will write tasty ice cream. Noun is ice cream. How's the ice cream? It is tasty. Tone shirt. Tone means fata hua. As you can see, the shirt is tone. Shirt is noun, tone is adjective. Long snake. Long snake. How would you define the tiger? A ferocious? Why not? Ferocious is dangerous. Tiger. 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 Old man. And beautiful swan. Complete this much. In the next class, we are going to take it a little ahead from here. Okay. So, some of the words were given here. We could have used this also. We have used ours also. Both are okay. A growling or a ferocious, or you can even write a growling tiger. You know, it makes a sound. Yes. This is how you complete. Keep everything ready. And I will be seeing you back. But remember, sounds are easy to recognize. And most importantly, we have been doing sounds since Prem's Dream, since we began with our topic. So these are easy, but for us to remember is far more important. Okay? Remember to do it nicely. Do not get confused. You will be able to do a good job. I'll see you back in the next class. Till then, complete all the worksheets, proper work, even the art and craft activity and the art integrated activity of making the clock, which everybody has not submitted. Need to do it. Okay? Others have done a wonderful job, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.